Looks like I'm gonna have to do this. Um, thank you. New knife. Let me get the other one too. I didn't buy this, so yeah, someone gave it to me. First, let me show you this. Yes, it actually does do that. Now, as you can see it's oiled. I oiled it with olive oil because that's the only thing I had at the time. Um, it's better texture. I can actually say it. It's better textured. It feels better in the hand, personally. Let me see if I can actually cut. Let's cut the pit dub. Yeah, it cuts. Oh, let me show you how you tell if it's a fake Pokemon Pro 2, by the way. Okay, so, see that black? That's meant to be there. I'm sure I can get like 15 for this. So yeah. You know, hear about this? Guess you have to like, sometime at the same time. Yeah, hate that. I don't think I can actually cut. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Oh, let me get that picked up quick. This. Eh, eh. Let's see if this can actually cut this. Yeah, but it's not as sharp. Let me. Here's the thing. This does not feel good in the. Okay, this feels good in the hand because of the nicer texture and the more smoothness of this. Um, it says EMT Tac Force, probably copyright. Uh, T. Okay, it says. I'm saying it says TF740 stainless steel U.S. design tactical China. But yeah, I ordered it with olive oil because that's the only thing I had at the time. I could find a time. This is more for. Here's the thing. Okay, see that? I don't. Let me actually let's do this. See this? I don't feel like my hand is gonna. This is gonna slip into this at all. Unlike the other one. You know? That's sharp. Jesus Christ. Also, another. You know, you know? Also, as you can see, it has like a Tonto type blade. If this gets. I prefer. I don't mind spray blades. I like spray blades because you can actually do a whole lot more with it, like a little bit of sawing and all that. I have proven. This, I feel like my hand is gonna go into this. Yeah. This is not that short. This is surprisingly. This this feels a little bit lighter than this, but because it's you see it's less chunky. With it, this as you see this. I know I'm gonna get AE. I know I'm gonna get attacked. Why are you pointing at yourself? Blah 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 blah. I know what I'm doing. I do. Lenovo Advantage, screw off. No one wants you. But yeah, this comparatively, this one's lighter than this. That's chunky. Yes, they are made in the same factory. Because you can get, honestly, cause you can get like different design, different things like that. I prefer this one because it's better than this one. Could maybe. That looks like it could come out very easily, by the way. Check it out. This one looks like this one's in here more securely. Doesn't feel like it's gonna come out easy. This is a chunk. So yeah. Um. So yeah, if you were in a post-apocalypse situation, you had to choose one of these two knives. Which would you choose? My preference is this one because it has more of a comparable of that than that. That's not going to cut nothing. This will cut something that way. Let me see. I wonder if I can actually. Let's see if I could cut this. Actually, I need to get some little bit on. Yeah, we'll cut that. So yeah, more comparable. Plus, but you can get like whatever design you want. Yeah, I like these. I saw reviews of this. People like them. People actually like them, right? I mean, if you're gonna have to cut seat belt, and you're like, well, I don't have time for this, right? That's why you use serrated blades. That is not. That is. I ordered up a little bit more than I should, but I would permit less because this one's gonna be used for a while. This one, it's just. Mm, so besides that, okay. So if you're gonna make a thing, you know what? Just do this. This is the easiest way to do this. That this is useless. This stops it. That's it. But yeah, this is like chunky, and I don't like that, and it's not comfortable because of this right here. It's like not comfortable in any capacity for me. Well, this one is. This is comfortable, and I can do this. Well, that this feels comfortable in the hand for well. It's nice, and I feel like I can actually do something with it. Like, right? So yeah, people seem to like it. Uh, EMT people who graduated seem to get these and they like them. So yeah. So also, I feel like I should actually be carrying this with me for no reason. You know, it's because I want to fish with survival fishing. But yeah. So if you're in a post-apocalyptic situation, oh by the way, um, this one's better quality than this one. I don't like this one. Like this one is a straight up. But yeah, which one of these would you want in a post-apocalyptic situation? You had to pick one of these two. Me, this one, because it's light. It's more comfortable, and it does that. You don't have to, you know. Here's my tip for this. See this? See this? Do this. Just do that. Just do that. It's, you know. Now I prefer serrated blades in general, right? So yeah. So that's my new knife. YouTube on my phone and my tablet are not uploading what I need what them to upload. Anyway, can I not take a picture? I can't take a picture, can I? No, that sucks. I'll take one after. Anyway, Postbox Bible, episode of the Wasteland. God bless and peace.